guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. And for any of you who this is your first time in my channel or watching any one of my videos, welcome to my channel. My name is Mervice and I am a makeup junkie. So I do a lot of makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, unboxing of makeup and beauty boxes, and basically anything that is makeup slash beauty related. So if that is the kind of content that you guys are looking for or that you like, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel, the little button down below. And then also you might want to hit the bell button if you guys want to be notified whenever I post a video. So anyways, that is it for the intro. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my BOXYCHARM for the month of September. So I have my little card right here, but first, for any of you who don't know about BOXYCHARM, it is a subscription box where you get 4 to 5 products. They're usually full size, or most of the time they're full size products that we get here, and you paid like $22 a month. I think right now it's like 22 bucks a month, and you receive the products at your house. You can also cancel anytime you want, and in my case I purchased these products by myself with my own money. It's not a sponsor, it's not an ad or anything like that. I do love BOXYCHARM, and I have a lot of videos that I've done maybe in the last year or maybe even over a year by now. So if you guys are interested in more videos from BOXYCHARM, so you guys want to make a decision if you want to purchase or not, I would recommend watching other videos as well, so you're not only basing your decision in one box. So anyways, I'm gonna leave you a little card over here for you guys to check out my other videos if you want to. And anyways, so I have my box right here, and as you can see for my face, I already have my makeup done, and that means if this is your first time watching my video, it means that I have already put the products on. I just tried them for the first time today. So this is a fresh makeup face done with all the products that are here, of course. And let's just get started, guys. So like I mentioned, I already put the products. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you the products on my box, and then I'll be showing you a little demo of me using the products today, so you guys can see how they perform or how they look, aside of seeing my face right now, right? So anyways, let's jump with the first product, which is this ones I have right here, and this counts as one. It's a set of 3 brushes by the brand Lorac Cosmetics, which we just received an eyeshadow palette maybe like 2-3 months ago, which is an amazing eyeshadow palette, which I love. But as far as the brushes, I think these are nice brushes, but I can say, to be honest, that this is going to be my favorite. I already know, because it's a really nice blending brush. It does a really good job. It is not super big, so as you can see next to my eye, it's not huge, but at the same time it's big enough, because sometimes, you know, blending takes time. And for me, if I have a bigger blush, just blend my eyes, brush to blend my eyeshadows, I do appreciate that, because it helps making it a little bit faster for me. So I love that one. I think this one is a nice kind of like one of those brushes that you can use for liner, or you know, line your eyes. So I did use it for that. So what I did was I went on the bottom lash line, and I typed right there a little bit, you know, packed a little bit of the black eyeshadow right there, and then I kind of smudge it out with another brush, because I don't feel like this is a good brush to smudge it out, especially if you're playing with really dark eyeshadows like I did today. That will be a little bit scary for me, at least. And then I have this brush, which I think is a nice detail brush. I tried to use it at first for the eyeshadow, thinking that it would work, but really it didn't well. It was already dirty, so what I did was I wanted you guys to see it. I packed a little bit of the black eyeshadow on the edges or in the outer corners of my eyes, and then blend it out with a blending brush. It did nice for that, but I can tell that this is going to be one of those brushes that I'm probably going to use for details, or maybe even going to inner corners and applying a little bit of highlight color in there. So that will be for that brush. This brush set retails for $18, and you can purchase it, I know, at Lorac Cosmetics website. So the second product is this one that I have right here, and this one is like an eyeliner. The name of this is Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll On Liner, which is something super different, super even weird to a point, to me at least, because I've never seen anything like this. I didn't know anything like this existed until I saw like a sneak peek of this on BOXYCHARM's Instagram, and it is super interesting because it has this brush is super different. So as the name says, it's like a roll-on thing. So basically you roll it, and I guess you can press harder or press, you know, less if you want less coverage. And it's something that, I mean, when I first saw it, I was like, here we go, another one of those mimicry products. This is going to be a mess. I'm gonna end up with a huge eyeliner or like a cat eye kind of thing, because I'm not gonna be able to control it. But I can seriously tell you that I was surprised, because I mean, my win is not half bad, to be honest, for being the first time using this. Anyways, I think this is a product that is interesting to try. Maybe it'll be something that some people will like, but for me, it's kind of like one of those that I know I'm not gonna reach for too much unless I'm like recording a video and I want to look extra, you know, and all that stuff. But on a regular basis, no, I wouldn't really try this. I am all over the place today, so I apologize. I didn't tell you the price, and this one retails for $19, and like I said, it's from the brand Butter London. Alright, my next product is one that I was really excited to try, and I am excited for because I do like it, and it is the blush that I'm wearing right now, and it's this one I have right here. This is by the brand Lorac, and to be honest, this is the first time I try this brand, and I tried these blushes. I know that they're super popular. They're something that have been out for a while in the makeup world, but I've never tried it. If you follow me, if you've seen my videos, you know that I do more of like affordable brands, more drugstore brands. So usually I don't want to pay a ton of money for a blush, to be honest, even though if it's amazing. So this one is the Lauder Geller Baked Blush and Brighten, and this one retails for $28. This one is one of those baked blushes that are a little bit not shiny, but they give you a little bit of like you know, like a brightness or maybe even a sheen to a point. It's kind of like a satin kind of thing. So I think the blush looks really nice. I think it's pretty pigmented, and I am super excited. I know it's one of those blushes that I'm going to use. I am not picky with blushes in the sense of the tones or the colors. Like for me, I'll wear peachy, I'll wear red, I'll wear raspberry. Man, I'll wear any kind of color on my cheeks as long as it shows up, as long as it's not too light for me. So I do like this a lot. I don't think I own any blush like this. It is very subtle, so you don't have to be so generous with it. You don't have to be so careful like other blushes that you just like dip it and you're like, woo, Jesus. So I do appreciate that about this blush, and it's one product that I am 100% sure I'm going to be using a lot. Let's jump into the next product. So it is this one I have right here, and is the lipstick I'm wearing today, even though I did wanted to add a little bit more brown. So what I did was I applied a lip liner first from ColourPop, and it's the lippy pencil in the color BFF3. I don't even know why I need to look at the name, because this is probably the only one I wear. And the lipstick that we got, it is by the brand Lorac, and this is the Pro Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the color Nude Rose, which to me, it doesn't really scream rose. It doesn't really look rose. To me, it looks more like a peachy nude kind of color, which I am in love, to be honest. As soon as I saw this color, I was like, I think you and I are going to be friends. And then when I applied it on, I was like, wow, this is a color that I do not have and that I like. And even if I don't apply a lip liner, I still think that it will look good. So as far as the formula, I think that it feels really thin. You can barely feel it on your lips, even though it is a matte lipstick and it dries out. So of course, if you have dry lips like me, you're going to feel a little bit extra dry maybe than if you had a lip balm on, but it does not feel uncomfortable. It is transfer proof, so no transfer at all, and it is not sticky. So it's just a really good, I feel like it's a really good matte lipstick. So I do like that. And yeah, so that's it for that lipstick. And then last but not least is the eyeshadow that you guys saw me putting on already probably, or you're seeing right now, and it is this one I have right here. This one is by the brand Pretty Vulgar, and we have received other products before from Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics on BOXYCHARM. So this one, it is an eyeshadow palette, and the name is the I don't know if that's how you pronounce that, but Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. This one retails for $35. It is one of those brands that you can find at Sephora only, I believe. But to be honest, I'll show you this eyeshadow. I'm not excited about this. I don't really like this. I mean, I played with it today. I did this eye look, which I think it looks really nice, but to be honest, it is not the kind of eye look I go for. I don't really love like cool tone eyeshadows, and I think this is very, very cool tone, very dark. So to me, this screams smoky eyes, cool tone smoky eyes, or cool tone eyes in general. So that's something that I don't really go for, but I think for anyone who likes cool tone eyeshadows or smoky eyes, anyone's gonna love this. So as far as the pigmentation, these eyeshadows are pretty pigmented. I do feel like, for example, this blue one though, this one was a little patchy. I had to really work with it, and it's so messy. They're very, very powdery. But anyways, this eyeshadow palette has a mirror, so it's nice about that. But like I said, I don't know, it's just the tones are not my favorite, but I think the quality is nice, and it's a nice eyeshadow palette. I mean, it's pretty thin, it's not heavy, it's cute. I mean, you know, this is really cute, the idea of like a birdhouse or something like that, but like I said, it's not my kind of tones. So anyways guys, I hope I didn't make the video super long. I am super excited because last month I didn't get to record my BOXYCHARM unboxing because my box got lost. So yeah, so as far as the BOXYCHARM, let's sum up and see how much, what is the value of the box this month. I usually like to show you guys that. Alright guys, so this month the box value is $119 and over $100 worth of product. Remember that I paid like 22 bucks for this box, so it is pretty good value for what you pay for, and that is what I like about BOXYCHARM. It is the only subscription I have right now because I think it's the only one that, you know, kind of gives you back so much, and that's what I like it. So as far as this month's favorites, I will say that from the brushes, I know I'm going to get a lot of use and love this crease brush. I like the lipstick, so I know that I'm going to definitely get use out of this lipstick because a lot of times I get nude lipsticks that are either too light or that don't even look nude, and for me this is a perfect nude, even if I put a lip liner or not, so that is perfect. And then of course the blush, which I am in love with. I've been wanting to try these blushes for a long time, so I'm excited about that. Besides that, everything else was like okay for me. But that is it for this video guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this, and I will see you back on the next one. Bye.